Hi, my name is Mendy. I'm a student at Antec College and I've been studying in social science for the past 2 years. I am particularly interested in the psychology program, and when I finish my studies, I want to be a psychotherapist, which is someone who helps people who don't feel good about their emotion and who don't understand them. In this job, I have to be able to do clear reports on my patients so I could help them in an effective way. In order to help me, there's a good website that can help everybody to correct sentences effectively. This website is the virtualwritingtutor.com. So now I'm going to show you how to use this website. So first of all, let's open a new tab in the top middle. And you can now type the URL in the address bar. So virtualwritingtutor.com. So here's the website. In the top left, this is the logo of the website, and in the top right there are icons if you want to share the website. Below the icons and the logo, there is a navigation menu here, but if you want to use everything in the navigation menu, you'll need an account, but we don't need this today. Below the navigation menu, there are options here. When you will want to correct your text, these are going to be helpful. And if you click here, there are more options. So below this there's an option menu. This is the text area when you type your text. And at the bottom here, these are example of text. If you want to practice using this option, the example number 1 and example number 2 are going to be really helpful. Here is the check spelling. So when you type your text, you click here and you can check the spelling mistakes. This is the microphone. This is the text to speech. It's going to pronounce your text out loud. So if you have difficulties with the pronunciation, it's going to be really helpful. Here is when you download your text, you can download it on a MP3 format or a document format. So I'm gonna do an example so you can see how the checker works. So I'm gonna type a sentence here. So when you click check essay, here are the click on submit, and here it's going to show you everything about your text. It's going to show you the vocabulary level and any type of other mistake. And when you go down here, you can see that I made 2 mistakes, 2 grammar error here, and they're gonna suggest you how to correct your answer right there. So now I'm gonna correct the errors. Check essay, submit, and now I have 0 error. So this is how you use the website. I hope it's gonna help you with your essays. So thank you for listening and have a good day.